The thing with nights is you only get to see so far. Whoa! Muscling it out. Muscling it out. Whoa! Morning fellas, Ben back again. Another quick one about my lighting setup. So very important that you kind of pay attention to this. I've been in the riding business for a really long time, especially the Himalayan, and the way the Himalayan is set up, there's a bit of a handicap. The fact that this headlight does not move along with the handlebar or the forks, the motorcycle is at a bit of a disadvantage, because the light points straight while you're moving in a direction. So it aligns to the angle of the tire or the forks in about a second or so. There's always a delay every time you move around, and that is totally fine on expressways, on highways, inside the city, but not so much when you are trail riding in the night. So that is when you need a spotlight or whatever light. If you want a spot, you can have spots. If you want floods, you can have floods. But whatever damn thing that is, you want that to turn along with the forks. Watch carefully. There are these mounting points for the number plate for the Himalayan. I have used two horn clamps. Nothing serious. These fellas for the horns. It's these clamps, the two clamps that are holding the horn in place. These fellas, these two clamps shoved in between the number plate bracket and the triple T, the lower triple T, and the rest of it is just what comes along with the spotlight. That is this clamp and the mounting unit and everything. So just these two clamps mounted underneath the number plate holder, and you have your spotlight which moves along with the forks. Now this helps with lighting up everything. This is the Cyclops. This helps with lighting up anything and everything in front. Every time I have to quickly change direction. And this fella is amazing. I just got it recently. This fella is absolutely amazing for night rides. Takes care of lighting up anything and everything on the roads. I will be attaching a clip now. This is for you guys to see how these things work. Evening fellas, Ben back again on some exploration business. Well, this seems like no man's land. Let's just check this out. I've been here, so I've been here in the evenings. Whoa! Off-road business at night. Not so much fun, huh? That's the thing with the Cyclops. My lighting setup provides enough confidence to take on any damn thing. Wow! Crazy! Where does this lead to? Woohoo! Oh, big wall! Off-road at night. Single track. This is my usual trail, but not at night. So we'll have to muscle this out. Sand riding. There we go. Keep going, Ben. Keep going. The thing with nights is you only get to see so far. Whoa! Muscling it out. Muscling it out. Whoa! Not a joke, fellas. Especially at night. Oh.
This is crazy. I have to be cautious here. I can't afford to play around. Oh. There we go. Single tracks. Body positioning and having a nice time. Makes for all the difference. If you're gonna be a crybaby about this, this is gonna get to your nerves. That's a cut. Quite a deep one at that. I'm a little too inflated, my tires, for this stuff. This is a proper hardcore sand track. That's overgrown a bit, but the lights help. That's the thing. The Cyclops. Wow! Slides when you don't want them. Yep. So what was I saying? That's the thing with the Cyclops. The Cyclops LEDs are just great. The low beam and the high beam. They light up just about anything and everything really, really well. And I have absolutely no problems tracking the route. It's just that at night it's a little bit difficult. But then again, 5 years on the motorcycle, and this LED, this bulb has never given up on me. This thing over here, it's just amazing. Yeah, there's a bit of a build up inside the glass window. I'll definitely clean it. That'll help. And that being said, well, that's the motorcycle. And a night in the woods. The Supreme Court has put out information that any kind of lighting modification should not exceed the headlight wattage on the motorcycle. So this comes in at 10 watts and this comes in at 10 watts, this comes in at 20 watts, and together they are 30 watts. The stock factory headlight comes in at 55 watts, and so if you're below that, you are good to go. If you exceed that wattage, then you are asking for trouble. And as far as the headlight itself is concerned, on my motorcycle, this thing is 38 watts, so even that is lower than the stock factory headlight. All put together, they consume almost as much power as the factory headlight bulb, and that is very, very important when you talk LEDs. You don't want the LEDs to be drawing a lot more power than they're supposed to. It's because that will eat up on the battery, and very soon you will have a dead battery, sometimes in the middle of a trip, and that is to be avoided strictly. So yep, that's the information part. So if you found the video useful, kindly go ahead and share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll continue to put out informative, meaningful content. So until the next one, this is Ben signing out for now. Hope this helped.